जी, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Komal and this video is going to be a one-stop guide to everything food in Rishikesh. See, I have been to Rishikesh 3 times. पहली बार जब मैं गई थी it was for a month, the second time it was for a week and the third time I recently visited again for a week, and this has been done over a span of 3 years. So let me tell you, when I recommend something I really mean it. तो इस वीडियो में I'm gonna help you decide where to eat, what not to eat and everything in between. But having said that, remember that this is just a recommendation वीडियो, तो ऐसा बहुत कुछ हो सकता है जो मुझे पसंद आया और आपको नहीं आए. So take it with a pinch of salt and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's start with the places that is an absolute yes from my side. I'll happily go back to these places over and over again. Starting with the Little Buddha Cafe. 3 साल पहले भी मैं वहाँ गई थी and इस बार भी I visited and nothing has changed. The vibe did not change. Of course, the view did not change and the food taste also did not change. I shot a few recording here and there, so I'm gonna take you there. तो अभी मैं हूँ लिटिल बुद्धा कैफ़े. तो लक्ष्मण झूला को क्रॉस करने के बाद ये कैफ़े आता है. आई लव दिस कैफ़े बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम भी मैं यहाँ पर आई थी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ एंड आई थरली हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस कैफ़े इज़ ये गंगा के किनारे है. राइट साइड में मेरे गंगा नदी बह रही है एंड मैंने ऑर्डर किया है मोमो एंड थुक्पा. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे डिशेस अवेलेबल है. इजरायली फूड है, मैक्सिकन है, काफ़ी कुछ अवेलेबल है. थोड़ा सा प्राइसी है ऋषिकेश की रेट्स के हिसाब से, बट आई लव दिस प्लेस. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड मोमो एंड थुक्पा. मोमो इज़ समवेयर अराउंड 270 एंड थुक्पा 310. तो पर डिश का कॉस्ट समवेयर अराउंड 250 to 300 पड़ जाता है एंड कॉस्ट फॉर 2 इज समवेयर अराउंड 800 to 900 rupees. Okay, the second recommendation is going to be Darjeeling Momo Corner. I discovered this place in my recent visit and I was really surprised because the taste was amazing. See, I'm from Siliguri and when I say I like a momo place, trust me, it's gonna be a good one. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बोलने वाली. I'm just gonna take you there and show you my reaction. सिलीगुड़ी की लड़की अब दार्जिलिंग के मोमो टेस्ट करके बताएगी कि ये कैसा है. बहुत गर्म है यार. भाई तगड़ा. बहुत टेस्टी है. दिस इज़ द बेस्ट दैट आई हैव एवर हैड पूरे नॉर्थ में. मोमो बेस्ट. The third one is the 60s Cafe. This time I couldn't visit this place, but last time I did. And बहुत ही relaxed और chill सा vibe है. You can actually taste good burgers over there and mocktails as well. And it is a place जो आप बिना walk किए पहुँच सकते हो because वो तपोवन वाले area में है. So you can take your car over there, chill, and if you're a digital nomad with your laptop and you wanna just work from a place which is quiet and has good food, the 60s Cafe is the perfect recommendation for you. On number 4 is the Monkey Baron Cafe. Again, I discovered this in my recent visit and it is overlooking the Ganga River and आपको एकदम मस्त लक्ष्मण झूला वहाँ से दिखाई दे रहा होगा. And वहाँ पे I ordered पराठा and वहाँ पे actually North Indian and काफ़ी सारा cuisine available है. What I really liked about this place was the vibe and of course the view. Food was, I will say, 8 out of 10, but the view was of course 10 on 10. And if you're looking for a very peaceful kind of place जहाँ आप बैठ के घंटों बिता सकते हो, then Monkey Baron Cafe is going to be your go-to place. And it is towards the way of Lakshman Jhula and काफ़ी ज़्यादा climb करके जाना पड़ता है, like there are a lot of stairs, but trust me, once you are on the top you're just gonna enjoy the hell out of it. अभी मैं हूँ मंकी हाउस कैफ़े में जहाँ मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करने आई हूँ. द गुड थिंग अबाउट दिस कैफ़े इज़ इट ओवरलुक्स द गंगा रिवर. तो यहाँ से बहुत सही व्यू है गंगा रिवर का. एंड वी ऑर्डर्ड पनीर पराठा एंड पास्ता. टेस्ट थोड़ा एवरेज है बट हॉस्पिटैलिटी अच्छी है एंड prices are also reasonable. That's a good thing. And I really love the view of the cafe. And during day hours, if you just want to, chill at a cafe जहाँ से आपको properly गंगा का view दिख रहा हो and you can work with your laptop, this is the cafe that you should visit. My fifth recommendation is Cafe Muktan and I'm sure you might have heard of it and काफ़ी सारे foreigners भी वहाँ पे होते हैं, कॉफ़ी पी रहे होते हैं. एंड ये छोटे से लेन में है. आप जब तपोवन से लक्ष्मण झूला की तरफ जा रहे होगे उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे you're gonna find it on the right hand side and एक छोटा सा कैफ़े है. there is not much sitting space but the taste of coffee is amazing and of course it's a small bakery also, so you can try a bunch of things over there. जब भी मैं गई हूँ there is a long waiting time जिसकी वजह से I couldn't taste a lot of things, but I have heard really good reviews and I have also tried a few things, so I would highly recommend it. Next section is going to be my favorite part because we are gonna discuss street food. देखो ऋषिकेश is incomplete without street food. इतना सब कुछ है वहाँ पे ट्राई करने के लिए and मतलब पेट भर जाएगा बट मन नहीं भरेगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई डोंट हैव स्पेसिफिक रिकमेंडेशन कि यहाँ जाओ यहाँ जाओ यहाँ जाओ. आई एम गोना टेल यू कि ट्राई एज मच एज पॉसिबल. ऑफ कोर्स लुक एट द हाइजीन ऑफ द फूड बट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर ट्राइंग मल्टीपल थिंग्स एट मल्टीपल प्लेसेस बिकॉज देर इज सो मच वेराइटी. आई एम गोना स्टार्ट ऑफ विद बन मस्का, माई फेवरेट, बिकॉज देर इज गोइंग टू बी बन मस्का एवरीवेयर यू विजिट इन ऋषिकेश. आई नो यू आर गोना थिंक ये कैसा रिकमेंडेशन है बन मस्का, दैट्स लाइक द बेसिक ऑफ द थिंग्स बट सम थिंग्स टेस्ट better at some places and Ban Maska is one of those places that taste so good in Rishikesh, I'm telling you. So you're gonna try Ban Maska over there. Where I tried was the area जो तपोवन से लक्ष्मण झूला जाता है. So there's a lane, a huge lane जहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे ऐसे म्यूजिक के शॉप्स भी है. On the left hand side there are a bunch of street food shops like ऐसे वो स्टॉल टाइप का. That is where I tried Ban Maska. And also लक्ष्मण झूला जाने से पहले there is a small part जहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे ऐसे ठेले टाइप के लगाए हुए हैं वहाँ पे. Of course I don't have exact name and location कि यहाँ जाओ but I tried at a bunch of places. हर जगह पे मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी लगा. There is another place जब आप राम झूला से वापस आ रहे होते हो बैक टू द तपोवन एरिया, तो उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे राइट साइड में जहाँ मार्केट होता है लेफ्ट साइड में यू विल फाइंड अ टी स्टॉल. एंड वो तो बंदा बहुत मस्त है, मस्त एकदम अनूप जैन के गाने लगा के रखा है. ही हैज़ क्रिएटेड हिज ओन वाइब एंड इट इज़ सो गुड. यू आर गोना हैव सच अ गुड टाइम. चाय एंड बन मस्का, प्लीज़ try it. Second is गोलगप्पे. Now a lot of people say कि वहाँ के इतने टेस्टी नहीं हैं but I found it good. I mean it is made differently but मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. So you have to try गोलगप्पे over there. Number 3, मेरे मुँह पानी आ रहा है, इज़ आलू टिक्की चाट. आई मीन डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ चाट्स. आई विजिटेड, आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम बट ऑफकोर्स आई ऐड अ वीडियो एंड द नेम एज वेल. बट वहाँ पे बहुत सारे चाट ट्राई करो, एक से बढ़कर एक है. जस्ट मेक श्योर कि हाइजीन अच्छा हो जगह का, उसके बाद बैठ जाओ. एंड इट इज़ चीप ऑल्सो, इट इज़ नॉट इवन एक्सपेंसिव लाइक 50, 60, 70. सम प्लेसेज यू विल फाइंड 30, 40 में स्ट्रीट फूड टू ट्राई. सो ट्राई अ लॉट ऑफ चाट. एंड उसके अलावा इफ़ यू डोंट हैव ये वाला टेस्ट यू शुड गो टू शिवा फलाफल बार फॉर टेस्टिंग द बेस्ट फलाफल, hummus falafel and falafel wrap. It is right opposite Darjeeling Momo Corner, I remember, like somewhere near to that only. So you should try that. Good place and very good street food. So उसके अलावा क्या था, उसके अलावा you should of course you should eat Maggi, क्योंकि मैं तो मैगी, मुझे बहुत पसंद है मैगी खाना. So you can try Maggi at a bunch of places. And so yeah, ये मेरे street food recommendation थे. I mean there's a smile on my face obviously because I love Rishikesh ka street food. It's so good. Coming to the next section which I'm not really very excited about but yeah, here we are. So I'm gonna talk about places that did not meet my expectation. Basically I did not find it worth the hype. Now again these are my recommendations, so hear it but you are free to try if you want to. Number 1, I found Freedom Cafe really overhyped because I went there 3 years back, so there's a possibility कि कुछ चीज़ें change हो गई होगी वहाँ पे. But what I did not like was the hospitality as well as the food, and I also found it a little bit overpriced. So yeah, I mean I did not really enjoy my time over there. The view is great, river flows from there and you'll get really good pictures over there. But in my opinion, if the food doesn't taste good, of course you can take a few pictures but you're not gonna have a fun time over there. So totally up to you. Second is Shambhala Cafe. Of course the aesthetic of the place is great. I also went for the aesthetics but the food came so late and I did not really like it. तो अगेन वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारा ऐसे बेडशीट्स, मंडाला आर्ट का बेडशीट वहाँ पे लगाया हुआ है. सो द वाइब इज़ ग्रेट एंड इट्स अ वेरी एस्थेटिक कैफे. यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर पिक्चर्स बट आई डिड नॉट लाइक द फूड. और नंबर 3 इज़ अन्ना's Mess. I was highly disappointed by this place because I was craving South Indian food like crazy and I love South Indian food. And I went over there, I ordered a dosa and it did not taste good. And अन्ना's Mess नाम सुन के ऐसा लगता है कि it is going to be an authentic South Indian place. And even इनके Google reviews इतने ज़्यादा amazing है. But when you actually go there and sit, and if you have been to Bangalore or any of the South Indian states and you have tried real flavors, I'm sure you're not gonna like it. So no, I did not like it. And उसके अलावा there are a couple of places that you can try on the Tapovan area. A few South Indian restaurants here and there. I forgot the names, but you can check and you can try. They are pure veg restaurants as well. well. The area that has the most cafes is basically Tapovan, Lakshman Jhula and Ram Jhula. Mostly Lakshman Jhula and Tapovan wale area mein hi hai. Lakshman Jhula wala area also has more cafes. It has more aesthetics also and overlooking the Ganga river because काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा व्यू आता है वहाँ से. And of course तपोवन वाले एरिया में भी काफ़ी सारे cafes जो है वो available है. So if you are a foodie and you're going to Rishikesh specially to explore food, maybe you should consider staying at one of these places. Now, if you are someone who travels with a laptop and you're looking for a place where you can sit and chill for hours and of course work from a cafe, here are my 4 recommendations for you. Number 1 is the Bhumi Cafe. It's a good place, very earthy vibes and greenery hai, and it's an open space. You can order a coffee or a small dessert and you can just sit there with good Wi-Fi, and it's gonna be a good place to spend your entire day. Number 2 is the 60s Cafe. I've already recommended it पहले, but again it is a good cafe with good Wi-Fi and कोई overlooking गंगा view वैसा नहीं है, but still greenery है, थोड़ा open space भी है, indoor space भी है, so you're gonna have a good time over there and the food is great, so that is a +1. On number 3 I have Tatva Cafe and on number 4 I have Ganga View Cafe. Ganga View Cafe का तो नाम सुन के you are able to understand that it is overlooking the Ganga river. Again it has good Wi-Fi and you can sit there for hours with the view of Ganga, order some food for yourself and chill and work the entire day. And Tatva Cafe is in the Tapovan area. It is an indoor space and it is on the roadside. The food is really great. It doesn't overlook the Ganga river, but still it is a good place to have good food and can sit there for hours, do your own work. Like there are gonna be times when it's going to be loud because of the people coming in, but overall it's going to be a good place if you have noise cancelling headphones. So that's all for the Rishikesh food guide. I mean, these are all the places that I have tried over the past 3 years, and food is such a big part of Rishikesh ka experience that you should definitely consider trying a bunch of stuff and take my recommendation and let me know how it tasted like. You can tell me in the comment section, and if you have recommendation for your fellow travelers, even for me, please drop it in the comments because I would love to try some new things over there. By the way, I've already shared a video जिसमें I'm talking about a budget travel guide to Rishikesh, जिसमें I'm covering things you should know before visiting, best time to visit, places to visit, things to do, cost breakdown, and it is a proper guide for someone who is looking to travel to Rishikesh in a budget friendly way. So I'm gonna add the link over here somewhere and you can actually tap on it and watch that video. And if you found this video useful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, so that it encourages me to make more such videos. I mean, it takes a lot of effort, trust me. So please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.